10 Classic American Cars That Defined the 1950s. It was a decade where the automobile became more than just a mode of transportation. It became a symbol of freedom and status. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of classic American cars that defined the 1950s. This was a transformative era in automotive history where style, power, and innovation took center stage. So buckle up, because we're about to take a ride through the coolest cars of that decade. The 1950s was a turning point for American car manufacturers. After World War II, the economy boomed, and people wanted to hit the road in style. But here's the catch. Car makers had to balance three critical elements: style, performance, and affordability. They were under pressure to produce eye-catching designs that turned heads on the streets, while also ensuring these beauties had the power to match their flashy exteriors and didn't break the bank. This challenge set the stage for some of the most iconic cars we still admire today. Alright, let's rev up our engines and explore 10 classic American cars that left an indelible mark on the 1950s. First up, we have the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. This car's sleek lines and vibrant two-tone paint jobs made it a favorite among families and hot rodders alike. Next, there's the Ford Thunderbird, which was all about elegance and power, quickly becoming the epitome of American luxury. Now, don't forget about the Cadillac Eldorado, known for its extravagant design and plush interiors, making it the ultimate status symbol. Then we have the Buick Roadmaster, with its distinctive portholes and impressive V8 engine. It was a true powerhouse. Moving on to the Plymouth Fury, famous for its bold styling and innovative features, it really caught the eye of the younger generation. The 1959 Cadillac DeVille deserves a special mention, too, with its outrageous tail fins and luxurious amenities. Let's not overlook the Dodge Dart, which introduced the world to a new level of performance and affordability. The Oldsmobile 88 combined speed with style, while the Mercury Montclair boasted a beautiful design and impressive power. Finally, the Pontiac Bonneville showcased the best of performance and luxury, becoming a true classic. Now, if we had to choose the most iconic car of the 1950s, it has to be the 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. This beauty not only captured hearts with its stunning design but also set the standard for American sports cars. The Corvette stood as a symbol of freedom and adventure, perfectly embodying the spirit of the 50s. Its design still influences sports cars today, making it a timeless classic. So, there you have it. Those are the 10 classic American cars that truly defined the 1950s. From the stylish Bel Air to the iconic Corvette, each car played a significant role in shaping automotive culture in America. Their legacy lives on, reminding us of a time when cars were more than just machines. They were expressions of individuality and freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite classic car from this list? Or is there another car from the 50s that you think deserves a shout-out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Thanks for watching.